Let's discuss force and pressure. In this context, we are going to discuss about force, effect of force on states of motion, types of force, pressure, pressure exerted by liquids and gases, atmospheric pressure. What is force? A force is a push or a pull. At least two objects needs to interact for force to come into play. Mutual interactions between two objects result in a force between two objects. Interactions between two objects. Forces applied on the same direction. When two forces are applied on an object in the same direction, there is an add-on effect of both forces. Force applied in opposite direction. When two forces are applied in opposite direction, the difference between two forces gives the value of the net force. Force is expressed in terms of its magnitude and the directions in which it is working. Any change in directions or magnitude of the force, there is a change in effect of the force. Generally, more than one force is acting on an object at any given time. Effect of force on states of motion are effect of force on an object at rest, effect of force on a moving object, and effect of force on shape. Now let's see effect of force on an object at rest. Force can move on object at rest. For example, if there is applied on book, the book can move in the directions of force. Effect of force on a moving object. A force can have the following effects on the moving object. Force applied in the same direction. When the applied force is in the same directions as the directions of motion, there is an increase in the speed of object. Force applied in opposite direction. When the applied force is in the opposite direction of motion, there is a decrease in the speed of the object. The object may also come to rest when the applied force is in opposite directions to the directions of motion. When the applied force is at some acute or obtuse angle to the direction of motion, there is a change in the directions of motion. Effect of force on shape. Force can change the shape of an object. When the force is applied on a ball or dove, there is a change in the shape of the dove. Similarly, a potter changes a lump of grease into pot by applying force. When air is filled in a balloon, the shape of the balloon changes because of the applied forces.